Good morning, friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. So today we are going to continue our 25 days of Thanksgiving, and we're going to do another dish. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to cook turkey breast because not everybody wants to cook a whole turkey. It might be a small family and all you need is a breast. I'm going to show you how to make turkey breast in your oven. That's going to be super flavorful and juicy. So come on along and let's get started. All right, friends, so we are going to be injecting our breast with some flavoring. So I've got some homemade chicken stock and our poultry seasoning. And we're just gonna go ahead and dump some of that poultry seasoning right in there and give it a good shake. All right, friends, so now that we've got our breasts, we're gonna go ahead and inject them with some of this flavoring. All right, now that they're injected, we're gonna go ahead and season our turkey. All right, friends, so our turkey breast is ready for the oven. We're gonna go ahead and put it in a 350-degree oven for about an hour, hour and a half, or until the inner temperature comes out at 165. So let's go ahead and get this in the oven. All right, friends, our turkey breast is all done. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna let that cool for a little while before we go ahead and cut into it, friends. So our turkey is all done. Let's go in and slice this up. And see how juicy this is. Look at this. All right, friends, so it's time to go in and give this a try. Look at that. So juicy. Has some really good flavor too. Gotta give this a try, friends. So good. All right, friends, so that turkey breast cooked so fast. It's so juicy and moist. Perfect for a small family on Thanksgiving. And all this leftover juices right here, you can make a delicious gravy out of to pour right on top of your turkey, and it's heaven. All right, friends, so I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know in the comments how you like your turkey, and until next time, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.